Click on the link below to get price. The Ceiling Mounted Dehumidifier has proven to be an indispensable addition to our commercial space, effectively addressing humidity control in our warehouse and greenhouse environments. With its multifunctional capabilities, this dehumidifier excels where many traditional units fall short. Installation was straightforward. Mounting it on the ceiling not only saves precious floor space but also allows for optimal airflow throughout the area. The compact design is aesthetically pleasing and blends seamlessly with our facility's infrastructure. Its robust construction is designed for industrial use, ensuring durability and longevity even in the harshest of conditions. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its powerful moisture extraction capability. It efficiently removes excess humidity, which is critical in preventing mold growth and preserving the health of the plants in our greenhouse. The adjustable humidity settings allow us to customize the level of dehumidification based on specific requirements, and the built-in hygrometer provides accurate readings, helping us maintain ideal conditions. The noise level is surprisingly low for such a powerful machine, making it suitable for continuous operation without disrupting our workflow or the natural environment of the plants. The energy efficiency of the unit is another significant benefit, as it minimizes operating costs while still delivering outstanding performance. Maintenance is hassle-free with easy access to the filters, which can be cleaned or replaced quickly. The unit also features a drain hose option, permitting continuous drainage without the need for manual intervention. This feature is particularly useful in larger spaces where humidity levels can fluctuate significantly. In summary, the ceiling-mounted dehumidifier has exceeded our expectations. Its combination of efficiency, ease of use, and adaptability for various commercial settings makes it an essential tool for any business concerned with humidity control. Whether for a greenhouse or a warehouse, this dehumidifier is a worthwhile investment that ultimately contributes to healthier environments and better product quality.